What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to Beyonce's new single, "Break My Soul." Let's get into the video.
It all for us, doing it all for love.
You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, everybody, everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then all past five. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody, everybody.
Release your anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forgive the rest.
Down my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. Baby is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I found me a new foundation, yeah. Trigger my new salvation. My own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody, yeah. You don't think it, you won't see it, that we all know. Can't break my soul. You don't think it, you won't be it, that love ain't yours. Can't break my soul. Trying to fake it never makes it, that we all know. Can't break my soul. Never stress and not take less, I'll justify love. We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Something that lives inside. You won't break my soul. 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 And everybody, telling everybody, everybody. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. No, no. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. And I'm telling everybody, and I'm building my own foundation, yeah. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. Into my new salvation, and I'ma build my own foundation, yeah.
Alright, there we have it. Beyonce break my soul. I guess you're gonna have a new foundation. Yeah. I mean, it's not a bad song. You know what I be listening to it. If it's on the radio, I probably won't turn it. But me listening at home, it's not gonna get me there. This is pretty much a Vogue song for the Voguers out there. Beyonce, this is not what I expected when you was gonna have a comeback. Yeah. Not a bad song. It's just something I probably won't be jamming to. Yeah. There you have it, guys. Beyonce, Break My Soul. Reaction video. Only to the song. If you like the song, comment down below what you think of the song. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. That's all.